How to do live streaming on YouTube on phone. First of all, we need to get YouTube app on our phone. If you don't have it, you'll find link in the description of this video. All you have to do is click on it and then install the application. Once you have it, this is the application, we need to open it. After you open it, you need to log into your account. After you do this, you can click on this icon of the camera over here on the right side of YouTube logo. And after clicking on it, we are able to choose one of three options. We can either record a video, we can stream it live, or we can upload any of the videos we have in our library. So in order to do live streaming on YouTube, we would click this option over here that says Go Live. Then, if our video is eligible for live streaming, it will start the live stream. However, if we don't meet the requirements, we will see a message like you see right now that says that your channel does not meet our updated eligibility requirements for mobile live streaming. However, we can still stream with our webcam or broadcasting software. So, if you don't meet the requirements, you'll see this. If you meet the requirements, the live streaming will start right now. So this is how you do a live streaming on YouTube mobile. And that's it for today. Remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.